need some equipment for this project, some hooks and some clips and possibly scissors. You will also need a cushion for your back and one cushion on each arm. I also like to use a cushion on my lap where I place a small mirror.
Okay, so I'm sitting in a really comfortable position on the couch, but you could do it in bed as long as you're propped up. I've got some pillows here and a little stand that holds my mirror, just so you can see what you're doing, like when you're clipping your dreads back and stuff, you can actually see where you're going. This is like the perfect setup. Also, the benefit with the couch is I can rest my arm on here and tighten my dreads that way so that that arm doesn't get lactic acid buildup. Because I like my dreads going forward, the best place to start that is at the front. If you like your dreads going all the way back here, you start at the back because it's just so much easier to clip back. You'll see what I mean anyway. So you get a little line of your front dreads. Just sort of drag your finger through the bases just to make sure that it's not connecting to another base. Clip that up out of the way. And then I can actually start on my front row. So with the front dread, one end to another. And what I like to do is just, get my finger in there and make sure I can't feel any hairs joining into, any other dreads. And then what I can do is clip that back away. And then we start on our first dread. You need to be able to dread between your fingers for doing your own maintenance. Go down probably maybe an inch. And I'm just doing bases at this stage.
Yeah.
You can actually obviously go down your lengths, but I like to do all my bases first. So I've actually just locked in that base.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fairly rudimentary at this stage. What I would do is go down probably maybe an inch. And I'm just doing bases at this stage.
Yeah.
You can actually obviously go down your lengths, but I like to do all my bases first and then get all of this fly away in at a later stage.